everybody, it's Steph
and Karissa
from Nickel Camping. Here at Nickel Camping, what we've done is we've created an essentials kit. And it's basically all the things that we think are super important to get you started onto camping. And we've just combined it in a kit for you. So we're going to go through those products with you guys today. Karissa, what's the first one?
So the first one is a very important one. It is a surge protector. These come in 30 and 50 amp. So it depends on what trailer you have, what kind of hookup. But what these do is these go in between your trailer and also the hookup at a park. So if there is a surge in the park, your trailer is protected. This is going to take the electricity, it's going to spread it out, and it's going to take the hit. So that way you're saving all of your appliances, which are very, very expensive. So this baby is definitely in our essentials kit.
Right, it's a good one for sure. I have here a water pressure regulator. So what this does is it hooks right up and makes sure that you're not going to have an ample amount of water pushing through that are going to blow your lines, because that is messy and there's nothing worse than a plumbing issue. Am I right?
Okay, my next one is going to be an extension cord. So we have these in the essential kit because there's nothing worse when you go to a park and you're all set up to go, but you have to park in a certain area and it's kind of far away from where the plug-in is. So this is good to have because this is going to help you be able to reach any of the power sources.
Right, great one. My next one is toilet paper. So with an RV, you cannot just use any toilet paper. It has to be specific. It has to be biodegradable. It needs to be able to break up into your tank. If not, you're going to end up with a clog issue. Your sensors are going to get all mucky, and it's not a fun repair to do. So definitely stick with the biodegradable toilet paper, guys.
To add to the biodegradable toilet paper, we have toilet pods. So these are good to go to be put into your toilet, and what it's going to do, it's going to help break up any waste. So that's going to keep also your tanks nice and fresh as well. These ones have a really, really good scent. We do have other ones too that smell really good, but these ones are definitely a must.
Right. Next for me is wheel chocks. We give you 2 wheel chocks. These go right at the front of your tire just to prevent any movement. Definitely necessary, just small, compact, needed.
Okay. These guys, also yellow. These guys are going to be your stackers. They come in a pack of 10, and these are going to help level out the trailer. If you go somewhere it's not overly level on one side, you can fix that with the stackers. So these are very essential to have as well too.
Okay. We also give you guys a 20-foot upgraded sewer hose. So it's 20 feet. It comes with the adapter, so it can break up into just 10 feet each. It comes with the clear elbow right there. So that way when you're hooking up and you're emptying your tank, you know when it's empty. Gross, but a cool feature for sure. At least you know when you're done. It's a super rigid plastic. So some of the ones you see, they're very flexible and those will tear. This one will not. It's going to last you a whole lot longer. So we throw this in too.
Another thing we throw in is going to be a water hose. These are great to have because this allows you access to hook up to water at any park you go to.
And finally, we decided to make all of those super easy to carry out and in for you guys, and we pack it into this awesome, cool Nickel Camping duffel bag.
This makes it so much easier to fit in those compartments, and you could use it for other things too.
You could use it for anything.
Anything.
Thanks, guys.